Hello friends, happy Thursday. Good to be with you all here on this Thursday, and hope everybody's doing well. I am, as a lot of you know, kind of in the thick of my doctoral thesis. Quite far behind on it, but working hard, and a big part of that thesis is exploring some of our Wesleyan heritage. John Wesley is what we call him, the founder of Methodism. He's the Anglican minister who in the 18th century brought this reform movement to England, and of course eventually came over to the United States. And his brother Charles was an extremely prolific hymn writer, and really is, I think, the author of the faith that we sing, the theology, and so many of his hymns just so beautifully articulate the theology of grace and God's love, and just all the different parts of our Methodist theology. You know, his hymns are definitely in Old English language, or stilted English language, maybe you'd say, but boy, they're still so relevant. So tonight I'm going to play, because I've just been so immersed in Wesley, I'm going to play 5 Wesleyan hymns. The irony of that is Charles Wesley did not write music, and so the hymn tunes I'm going to play are written by other people, almost always for other reasons. They've been borrowed by hymn book editors. It's funny because if you go to England, you'll sing a lot of these hymns to completely different tunes. But anyway, the first one I'm going to play is 4,000 Tongues to Sing. The next one is called Come Sinners to the Gospel Feast. Then, and Are We Yet Alive, which you'll probably think sounds like Blessed Be the Tie That Binds. Then one that we don't sing the Come Sinners to the Gospel Feast very often, but one that rarely is sung, called Come O Thou Traveler Unknown. It's, Isaac Watts, who was another really amazing British hymn writer and a contemporary of Charles Wesley, called this poem that we now know as Come O Thou Traveler Unknown. He said it was a single, well, let me read it to you. It's the single, this poem, Wrestling Jacob is what it was called, was worth all the verses that Isaac Watts had written. So anyway, and then I'm going to end with Love Divine, All Loves Excelling, which is my favorite, and I think best sums up our theology. So you can look all those up. They're all in the United Methodist Hymnal. I'm not going to do any words, so it's just going to be tunes, and hopefully something in this speaks to you. throw in a little bit of Harry Belafonte there too. So anyway, that's a little bit of Charles Wesley, which was really no actual Charles Wesley, but hymns that hymn tunes that have been used for Charles Wesley texts. Good to be with you. Hope we see you on Sunday. Don't forget our Compassion Week celebration is Sunday at 5 o'clock. Hope you can join us for that. Worship at 8:30 and 10 on Sunday. Hope we see you there, and I'll be back here with another Facebook Live next Tuesday. Till then, stay safe, stay connected, and great to be with you. Take care.